Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Nextdoor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Nextdoor is a neighborhood-focused social networking app designed to help users connect with their local communities. The app enables sharing updates, posting classifieds, discussing local events, and exchanging recommendations for services or businesses. It also includes private messaging, neighborhood alerts, and tools for organizing events, all aimed at fostering communication and engagement within local areas. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Nextdoor for its easy-to-navigate interface and location-based connectivity, making it simple to stay informed about nearby happenings. The app is especially valued for community engagement, allowing neighbors to recommend services, report local issues, and organize events. Many users enjoy the sense of connection it provides and the ability to stay updated on local news and safety alerts. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional spam posts, privacy concerns, and ads that can feel intrusive. Additionally, the usefulness of the app heavily depends on the activity level of your neighborhood. In quieter areas, engagement may be limited. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Nextdoor app may be worth using if you want a reliable platform to connect with your local community, stay updated on neighborhood events, and exchange recommendations or classifieds. It excels in fostering community interaction, local communication, and safety awareness. However, if your neighborhood is less active or you're concerned about privacy and ad content, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.